Pancasila as an ideology? A reflection of Rocky Gerung's criticism. Pancasila is not an ideology. Okay, let's break it down in depth. What is ideology? In general, ideology is greater than a set of values, ideas, beliefs, and ideals that form the basis for the political, social, and economic systems of a society or country. Some definitions from experts. Karl Mannheim. Ideology is a system of thought that defends the interests of a particular group. Destet de Tracy, the originator of the term ideology, is the science of ideas. Anthony Downs. Ideology is a set of consistent beliefs that form the basis of political action. So, ideology does not have to be dogmatic. It can be open, dynamic, and contextual. Pancasila as an ideology. Officially and constitutionally, Pancasila is the state ideology of Indonesia. This is emphasized in the preamble to the 1945 Constitution, paragraph 4. Pancasila is the basis of the state. MPR Decree Number 18, MPR, 1998. Pancasila as the source of all sources of law. Various educational, legal, and national policies all refer to Pancasila as the nation's ideology. But why does Rocky Gerung state Pancasila is not an ideology? Rocky Gerung is a public philosopher who often conveys his thoughts with a critical and provocative approach. When he says, Pancasila is not an ideology, he is usually 1. Criticizing the misuse of Pancasila as a political tool by the authorities. 2. Refusing to make Pancasila a closed ideology or doctrine that should not be criticized. 3. Emphasizing that Pancasila is moral or ethical values, not a political program or practical ideology. In the approach to political philosophy, there is indeed a difference between basic values and operational ideology. Perhaps Rocky sees Pancasila as universal basic values, not an ideology in the sense of communism, capitalism, or socialism. Conclusion: is Pancasila an ideology or not? Checkmark yes, Pancasila is an ideology, in the sense of an open ideology, not dogmatic. Being the basis of the state philosophy. Realizing universal values in the context of Indonesian nationality, divinity, humanity, unity, democracy, and social justice. Cross-mark however, Pancasila is not an ideology in the sense of a closed ideology, such as Stalin-style communism, Hitler-style fascism, extreme free market capitalism. Conclusion: Rocky Gerung's statement needs to be interpreted in the context of intellectual criticism, not swallowed raw as a rejection of Pancasila. In fact, this kind of debate is a reflection of the Pancasila ideology, which is open to dialectics, criticism, and renewal. Greater than so, Pancasila remains an ideology, but one that is open, dynamic, and humanistic, not a tool of hegemony. D2N. Makassar, June 1, 2025.